Hello students, welcome to physics class. Today we discuss some practical units of measurement. You already learned the units of measurement and we know that in a system of unit we have some units for the measurement of fundamental physical quantity and from this fundamental physical unit we are deriving other derived units for the measurement of derived physical quantities. Other than this fundamental units and derived units, usually to measure some physical quantity in some situation, we are using some practical units. Let us see some of the common practical units for the measurements of physical quantity. First, we are discuss some practical units of length measurement. Here, we have one of the practical units of length measurement is light year. You know that the light travel a distance of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter in 1 second. So, the light year is defined as the distance traveled by the light in vacuum in 1 year. And when you are calculating what is 1 light year, we are getting 1 light year is equal to speed of light into 1 year. The speed is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second into 1 year. Convert 1 year into second. So you get 365.25 days into 24 hours into 60. That is 60 minutes is there in 1 hour into 60 seconds. That is we converted 1 year into second. 365.25 into 24 into 60 into 60. So 1 light year is 9.467 into 10 raised to 15 meter. That is the value of 1 light year. It is the distance traveled by the light through the vacuum in 1 year. So usually this unit for the length measurement using for the measurement of distance between the star, interstellar distance or distance to the star, usually expressed in light year. It is numerically equal to 1 light year is numerically equal to 9.467 into 10 raised to 15 meter. Now another unit, astronomical unit. Astronomical unit. And it is defined as the mean distance of the earth from the sun. The mean distance of the earth from the sun is known as astronomical unit. And 1 astronomical unit is numerically equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. Usually, the distance to the star or distance to the heavenly bodies are measured in astronomical unit. Let us say another unit, parsecond. Parsecond or parallactic second. It is the largest unit of length measurement. Largest unit of length measurement. And it is defined as the distance at which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtend at an angle of 1 second of arc. It is defined as the distance at which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtend at an angle of 1 second of arc. Here, suppose this is an arc of 1 astronomical unit. You know 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter. And these are the radius of this arc. If the radius meet or subtend or they make a very small angle 1 second. The 1 second means you know that 1 degree is equal to numerically equal to 1 degree is numerically equal to 60 minutes. and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Second and minute are the units of angle. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. See, the second is a very small unit for the angle measurement. So this angle is usually too small. 1 by 3600 of a degree. 1 by 3600 of a degree. That much small. So if that angle is 1 second, then this length of this radius is equal to 1 parsecond. 1 parsecond is the length of this radius. So let us calculate what is 1 parsecond. 1 parsecond is equal to, that angle is equal to arc by radius. You know that one relation, that's angle is equal to arc by radius. Angle is equal to arc by radius. And so the radius is equal to what? Radius is equal to arc by angle. Arc by angle. That's the relation here. Radius is actually 1 parsecond. 1 parsecond is equal to arc. The length of this arc is equal to 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit by angle. What is the angle? 1 second. That is 1 astronomical unit, 1.496 into 10 raised to 11 meter divided by 1 second. You know that the unit of angle, the SI unit of angle is actually radian. So we have to convert this second into radian. So first convert the second into degree. You know that 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 degree. So this is in degree, it is converted in degree. Now to convert degree into radian, we have to multiply by pi by 180. When we are multiplying by degree into pi by 180, it will be converted into radian. So this is 1 second in radian. This is 1 second in radian. So if you are dividing, we get 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. 1 parsecond is numerically equal to 3.08 into 10 raised to 16 meter. This is the largest unit of length measurement. Usually this unit is using for the measurement of size of galaxies or interstellar distance are measured in parsecond. So these are the some bigger unit of length measurement. We have some smaller unit for the length measurement. To measure very small length, we can use Fermi. 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 The symbol for Fermi is Fm. Small letter Fm. Fermi. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 raised to minus 15 meter. 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Usually the size of nucleus and the size of subatomic particles are measured in Fermi. 10 raised to 1 Fermi is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Then Armstrong, the wavelength are usually measured in Armstrong. So 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. The wavelength of some waves are usually measured in Armstrong. 1 Armstrong, 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Another unit, that nanometer. These are familiar for you people. Nanometer. Now 1 nanometer is equal to symbol Nm. Nanometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 10 raised to minus 9 meter. This is also a unit for the measurement of wavelength. Micron or micrometer. 1 micron or 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. The thickness of the some plastic carry bags are measured in micron. 1 micrometer or 1 micron is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 meter. These are the some common unit for the practical units for the length measurement other than the SI unit. Now let us see some practical units of mass measurement. You know that SI unit of mass is kilogram. Other than this SI unit, some common practical units. Ton. 1 ton, or it is also known as metric ton. 1 metric ton or 1 ton is numerically equal to 1000 kilogram. Large masses are usually can express in ton. 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. Another practical unit, quintal. 1 quintal is numerically equal to 100 kilogram. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kilogram. And the unit slug, SLUG. 1 slug is equal to 14.57 kilogram. 14.57 kilogram. Pound, 1 pound. 1 pound. It is a unit in FPS system. In FPS system, for the measurement of mass, pound is used in British engineering system. 1 pound is equal to 0.4536 kilogram. 1 pound is equal to 0.4536 kilogram. And Chandrasekhar limit is a very large mass. Chandrasekhar limit. It is 1.4 times the mass of sun. Usually to explain the life cycle of stars, we are comparing with the mass of the sun. So, 1 Chandrasekhar limit, CSL, usually it is denoted as CSL, 1 CSL, 1 Chandrasekhar limit is equal to 1.4 times the mass of sun. And a very small mass, atomic mass unit, AMU, 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of carbon 12 atom. 1 by 12 of mass of a carbon 12 atom. Usually to measure the mass of subatomic particles like electron, proton, we are using this unit, atomic mass unit. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 by 12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. It is numerically equal to 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1 AMU is approximately 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Minus 27 kilogram. Now, some practical units of time. For the measurement of time in SI system, in most of the system, the second is using. Other than the second, we have our minute. Many units are there. Let us see some of other common practical unit. A solar day. Solar day is the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation about its own axis. Is the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation about its own axis. And the second one, a solar year. Solar year is a time taken by the earth to revolve around the sun. It is a time taken by the earth to revolve around the sun. It is approximately 365.25 solar day, numerically equal to 365.25 solar day. Another, lunar month. It is a time taken by the moon to revolve around the earth. Lunar month. 1 lunar month is equal to 27.3 days. 1 lunar month is equal to 27.3 days. And shake is a very small unit. The smallest practical units of the time, 10 raised to minus 8 second. 1 shake is numerically equal to 10 raised to minus 8 second. These are some practical units of time. Now, let us see some practical units of area. To measure the area, we can use barn to measure very small area. 1 barn, BARN, is numerically equal to 10 raised to minus 28 meters square. To measure a very small area, we are using barn. 1 barn is numerically equal to 10 raised to minus 28 meters square. Another unit, acre. Usually, it is used to measure the area of the land. Acre and hectares are usually used to measure a very large area, that is area of a land and all. That is 1 acre is equal to 4047 meters square. 4047 meters square numerically. 1 hectare is numerically equal to 10 raised to 4 meters square, 10,000 meters square. That are the some practical units of area. That's all for today. Thank you.